Fashionistas, it's Alyssa, the stylist, and while I've been self-isolating myself at home, I wanted to still do some kind of a photo shoot, give myself a challenge to see if I can work with what I have in the house and what I can get and use what I've got. So I went searching on Pinterest to get some ideas of what kind of photo shoot I could do, and I ended up coming across and finding some really awesome photographs of milk baths. And now I know if you haven't seen it before, you're probably wondering, a milk bath? But no, trust me, they look really cool. So I'll put up a picture here to show you just in case you don't know. And here. And yeah, and that is what we're going to try and recreate. Without further ado, let's get and have a bath. No, I'm joking. Okay, so first thing I did was do my makeup. And I know, I'm sorry, but I totally forgot to film myself actually doing this. So in the end, I've decided to leave it as a surprise. The next step was getting the flowers I brought and chopping off the heads of them. And of course, Josh just goofing around, being himself. After finally getting Josh out of the bath, we filled it up with cold water as we didn't know if hot water would curdle the milk or go funny. And we used about 3 litres of milk. And here's what it looks like with all the milk in it. Very milky and white.
You're live.
I'm a mermaid. So cold. Help me. After taking a few photos with the milk, I added in some pink food dye to add a pop of colour. And that was the end result of my photo shoot. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you can see whenever I post a new fashion video, photo shoot, styling, anything, and you'll be the first to know about it. So stay beautiful. See ya.